everybody, welcome to my video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this unit right here with very simple techniques. It's nothing too hard. This is a very affordable hairstyle. It's a great protective style for any natural who is just trying to save their real hair from this cold weather. If you live somewhere that has snow, a cold climate, wearing a wig like this will give you that awesome full sexy beat look without having to risk your actual natural hair. So stay tuned to keep on watching to see how I made this unit. Alright, now so I got another wig video for you guys today, and it's gonna be a little bit more simple this time because I already have my extremely detailed wig video that I did. So this one, you know, if you guys want to see like extreme close-up shots of how I'm crocheting the hair, you know, you can go check out that one. This one is just going to be pretty much more of a quick run through. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using today. It's the Freetress 2X wand curl braid in the color 1B, and it's the soft baby curl. And for this hair, really what I'm trying to mimic is Solange's hair in that video. I don't remember the name of it, okay? I really don't kill me. But basically, I'm trying to mimic her hair that she had in that video. Of course, as always, to be really helpful, I'm going to link the video right up there so you guys can see what it is that I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like after doing the front part of the perimeter with these shorter hairs. And we're just going to fill up the front just a little bit, not a lot, just up until the temples of where your head would normally be with the shorter length hair. And the back of the hair, I'm filling the nape with the short length hair as well. Probably... this is not that far near the ear because this would be probably where the ear is. I'm going to fill up that other section with the longer hairs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. you guys seen me make the wig, and you guys seen me slightly, I guess, style the wig. I would say style the wig. You guys see me style the wig because you see me put the foundation on the part and clip off the little scraggly ends and clip off the lace. So now I'm about to wear it. I have a school appointment, so we're about to do this thing. Shake it out because it's been in a little bag. It does have 3 clips, but I'm not really going to be using the clips because I feel like when I use the clips, it pulls on my hair. So I'm going to try to not use the clips. I'm going to see if I can fit it on here nice and snug without using the clips. If I can't, then I'll go ahead and use the clips. But I have some bobby pins, so I really don't feel like it's going to be mandatory for me to use these damn clips. I just feel like if they pull out my hair, like, I don't like how they feel. So I feel like I didn't have to do much to it. Let's see if I can pull down the back some. I like how it looks. I'm trying to think, like, do I want to spread out the curls? But I feel like I had already spreaded them out enough. You know, I really don't feel like I want to take out the curls too much out of the wig, because that's kind of what I like about it, but I don't want it to look too Shirley Temple-ish, you know? Get those curls out my face. So yeah, this is the wig. Honestly I feel like if the parting in this cap is like too wide, but I can get away with it because I put so much hair near the part. So I feel like if I could get away with it, but other than that, I don't think I would repurchase this cap because the cap just, you know, the parting sucks. But of course you can always go in and, like I showed you guys, crochet the lace part closed if you wanted to. You don't have to keep that part, but I don't know, I just feel like I can get a different cap that just doesn't have the part at all, and then I'll have to do all that work trying to close the part. But I do like how it looks. This is a really good, like, effortless, really quick, it's an effortless, really quick winter protective style for the natural girls. And this wig, you know, this didn't set me back too much money because I bought this hair when it was on sale from ebonyline.com. But yeah, you can wear the hair like with a bang in the front like this, or you can wear it with the part at the side. So I'm still gonna decide which way I'm gonna wear it because I don't know yet. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Thank you guys for watching. If you stuck around to the end, you're a trooper. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel so that you guys can see more hair tutorials and more makeup tutorials as well. Thank you so much for being a part of the family, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, okay? Bye.